We told you so. Look, Zeke, they were kind enough to give us drinks. Thanks. No more. I've been told.
That belongs to me. Mine, senor.
Anyway. Senor.
Yeah, mine, senor. He does a better voice.
It is not for
Would you like to know why we're wearing these? Too bad, not time yet.
You know, don't you hate when someone gives a build-up like that and then doesn't deliver? Tough shit.
It was
Deal with it.
blue ball. Anticipation, right, baby?
Excuse me, prop boy. There's more over here.
There's more, way more.
This way. This way. This way. This way. See? See, right there. And right there. And right there. And there's a phone over there. Thank you. Thank you, prop boy.
Wait, I see something right there, too.
Right there. Right over here. Don't forget. Yeah, do that little turnaround thing. Yeah, there we go.
See, that's why I couldn't tell you yet. There's good reason.
That was so not your reason, so don't even try. Totally gonna call him out on this shit. Because I'm like that. I don't know why I brought out this paper with me, speaking of calling people out on this shit. I don't know why I called.
You don't even need to look at that. Anyway, because we're in it, so.
Yeah, the two of us.
We got sick of just talking. We decided we wanted to have some fun too.
It's true.
Yes.
So
So,
put down my
for
paper.
those of you who don't know, this now is miles long. Senior miles long.
Senor Maya don't.
We have Senior Kenny Doer.
Senor Kenny Door.
Yeah. And I am Zeke Paddington.
Senor Z.
And for those of you who love Disney and old school cartoons, you will
Oh,
get
you're
this
gonna
and
love this.
appreciate it.
And for those of you who don't, well, you're probably not gonna have any clue what's going on, and that's just tough.
Holy took my mic. You Holy don't know it. That's right. Holy doesn't eat it. No, not even Will.
Caballeros, they say we are birds of the feather. The amigos, no matter where he goes, the 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together. We're 3 happy jackies with snappy serantis, you blind must beneath our sombrero. We're brave and we'll stay so, we're right and so peso. We say so, then we caballero. We have a stars to guide us, guitars here beside us, to play as we go. We sing, we samba, we shout.
they meant, are you a good witch or a bad witch?
Bad as always.